Do you ever feel like your life's worth of know-how could make a splash online, but you're not sure where to start? Let's get the ball rolling today. Stick with me because we've got a gem from our free training coming up. It's perfect for anyone ready to share their wisdom, and you won't want to miss out. All right, let's talk. You've got a treasure chest full of experience. Maybe you've solved problems for years or mastered a craft, or you just know stuff that people would love to learn. But it's putting it out there online. I know it could feel like a puzzle. Does the tech stuff throw you for a loop? Turning your knowledge into something useful isn't always obvious. And getting in front of the right eyes, that's a whole different adventure. Here's the good part. You don't have to figure it out solo. We've been crafting something special, and I wish we'd had something like this when we first started. It's called Digital Gold Rush Cash In or Miss Out, a free training to share some ideas with you to get you started, sharing your expertise without the headache. It's simple, it's for people like us with a lot to give, share, and it's ready now. You're about to hear a short clip from the expert, and that's you I'm talking about. The free training ties you right into our Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership, where we show you how to create, sell, and market your knowledge on our automated platform. So let's dive into the short clip from our free training. Here we go. We believe you're here today because you know you have something valuable to share, but maybe you just don't know where to start, or maybe you feel overwhelmed by all the techie stuff, or unsure of how to package your expertise into a sellable product.
Maybe you're wondering how to actually market your products so people buy what you have created and what you are selling. Well, we're here to tell you you don't need to figure it out alone. That's why we're here today, and exactly what Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership is designed for.
Pretty neat, huh? This is just the beginning. Our free training, Digital Gold Rush Cash In or Miss Out, is full of more steps to share your knowledge online. Check it out in our description below. It's all free. Click to join us and let's get your wisdom shining. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure and leave a comment saying, "See you there."